all for being here. To all our parents, students, who are taking the time and effort. So we will get started. Sorry for the delay. But yeah, so thank you for your patience. Welcome to the belt issue function of BK Kung Fu Academy and Golden Eagle Martial Arts School. We welcome all the parents, students, our masters, Master Veli Murugan, Master Venkatraman, a few more masters who are not here but I'll mention the names, Master Gunasekaran, Master Tamil Khan. And all our friends, family, all our students and parents who have assembled here, who have gathered and taken the time to come and celebrate this event with us. A small introduction of BK Kung Fu Academy. We started this institute in 2021 as an initiative to spread the awareness of Kung Fu and its health benefits. And anyone who is here who have been learning Kung Fu or anyone, உங்களுக்கு யாருக்காவது Kung Fu னா என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? The meaning of Kung Fu? Okay. In that நான் சொல்றேன், maybe next time you will remember. So Kung means accomplishment, Fu means effort. So Kung Fu is nothing but accomplishment through efforts. So today, this event is a recognition for the efforts the students and masters have taken, the parents as well who have brought the students and taken the time. So this event is a recognition for the efforts made by the students to achieve their next belt levels. So our vision and motto is health and safety for all. This institute has been begun with an intention to spread the awareness of health and fitness, especially in a society which is increasing in screen time and where we do have a lot of food which is adulterated. The only way which we can keep up our health and have a longevity is through exercise. So Kung Fu is one of the methods with which we can make sure we live a healthier and happier life. So we today congratulate all our students for their efforts in achieving their belts, and we are going to get started with the belt issuing function. So before we issue the belts, we have a small celebration arranged, and all the students have prepared a lot to perform dances, their extracurricular talents, along with our major Kung Fu as well as gymnastics, syllabum, everything that we have trained them on. So I hope it will be a treat to all of you. So today our students will make you more happier and show them their performances. Okay, so let's get started. So to initiate, we will start with a small prayer song with Tamil Thai Varthal. So we request all of you to stand up for the Tamil Thai Varthal.